dash way. I'm just joking. We're decluttering today. AKA Dashway, AKA RIP to all my old clothes because I'm getting a whole new wardrobe. I just don't want majority of these clothes anymore, so let's get into it. Okay, here is a better overview. So these boxes here, everything in this bin, these bags here, we have some clothes, these boxes here, box, and these piled of clothes. So it shouldn't take long. All these clothes here, I'm going to just give them away, like donate them. Honestly, majority of these are probably gonna be new or lightly worn or worn once or twice because I wore it just for a video or a picture. Or I just have them and I didn't wear them because it doesn't look good. I lost so much weight and a lot of my clothes don't fit. So I don't like that, and a lot of them are good, so. Or like some of the clothes I bought, they're really like thin and cheap. Like I bought them from those fast online companies like Zaful and Shein and I don't want them to see this video. Okay, this I'm keeping. I always wear shorts like this in Jamaica for Indiana. Or if I'm just going to the beach and I'm throwing on some regular shorts over my swimwear, I just put this on because you can take off and take back on easily. So this is keep. Should I fold up my clothes the same time I'm doing this? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Just hit 2 stones with 1 bird. Hit 2 stones. Hit 2 birds with 1 stone. Yes, so I'm keeping these shorts. Oh, do you guys remember that I was on when I was in Canada the other day? Well, you have to watch my Toronto vlogs, but do you guys remember? If my feet look sweaty, it's just the house is really dusty. Because this place is new and there's dust dropping every 2 seconds, no matter how much I sweep them up. But you guys remember, well, in the Toronto vlog, I may not mention it, but I'm gonna link the Toronto vlogs if you guys wanna watch them. But I was on a hunt for some jeans because I need some new jeans because Jamaica's very conservative when it comes to like their government buildings. And even if it's not a government building, people get offended if you wear shorts. On an island! So I got some jeans, even though I don't wear these. I don't wear jeans in Jamaica, but I only wear them because of conservative Jamaica when we have to go into those drastic buildings. You can't show your shoulders. You can't show your shoulders. Men are going to get attracted. You can't show your legs. It's too offensive to the human eye. Okay, so I bought bare jeans. Ooh, I haven't worn this one. This one's hot. But yeah, I bought a lot of them. I'm gonna save these for Canada. I'm probably gonna go back up in the winter time. This is my painting jeans. I couldn't find them when I was painting, but yeah. I'm just gonna keep these in case I have to paint again. And I'm gonna keep 1 pair broke up. I'm gonna give this away right now. I'm gonna give this away. I don't like how it looks on me. I got it on AliExpress. I'm gonna keep it. Honestly, I'll fold up my clothes another time. No, do it now. This is washed out. I can bring this in the end. Swimwear! I'm gonna just make a pile of all my swimwear because I have so much. This is too short. Oh, and I don't think I can give that to anybody. I can use that bag. So, put the stuff in. Swimwear cover up, my dress, and put these together. Got laughing, every little thing we got going. Oh, I love this swimwear so much. It's so cheeky though, like it shows a lot of your body. Honestly, I don't want these. I'm gonna be dead honest. Let me show you guys. I bought them the other day, went up to Canada. I showed in the vlog, but I'm gonna give these away. I'm just gonna take a picture in them. So I'm gonna put this in my office space, my content creation room. So I know to take a photo with these. Shorts from Old Navy. Someone commented on one of my Toronto vlogs, they're like, people still shop at Old Navy. I was like, bro, I just wanted shorts and I went to every store in the mall and Old Navy was having shorts. So I bought some shorts at Old Navy, so why not? And I was like, people be commenting, stop. Honestly, I barely get hate. Because I'm not popular or anything, maybe that's why. I guess I gotta be more poppin' to get more hate. Ooh. My panties, I'm gonna do a pile over there. And socks. I'm gonna do a pile of socks. I'm gonna give this away too. This is so thin. Okay, there's sometimes I have some broke up clothes in my place. Like I have these washed out, what are these? Adidas track pants. Like they're washed so bad and they're short on me. My legs are so long. And then I have this big, huge Popeyes high-waisted Jeans. The reason why I have them is like if I have to go in bush and we're doing some stuff in the bush, I just throw on these and I don't care about if they get ripped up and stuff like that. Ooh, underwear. Oh my god, this is random, but I bought these underwears down here and they're freaking good quality. Like, let me show you guys. I haven't worn them yet. I have so much I have so much underwear. I have underwear for like almost a whole like 6 months. And this is like really good quality. I don't know if you guys can tell. Like, it's so good. That was random. So I'm wearing this biggie man. This is so big. Oh my gosh, I bought this outfit from Glamazante Apparel Studio and I bought it when it was 50% off. She was doing a big sale like 50, 60, 70% off, so I bought this whole set from her. Listen, this is the most thinnest set of life and I bought it because she was wearing it in one of her vlogs. I'm like, this girl looks so nice. When I bought it, I was like, what is this? Yo, I'm giving this whole set away because I couldn't believe. And like, well, you know why I couldn't believe? Because the amount that it's regularly going for that set, it was like $70 something on her website. And I got it for like $20 when it was on sale. I don't want it, I never use it. I had this for so many years. This is to give away. I hate these shorts. I went to someone's house to sleep over and she gave me this underwear to wear. It's so ugly! So this is dashing away. Look at my onesie. I wear these during the colder months down here. Let me try it on for y'all. Let me try it on. You live in Jamaica. What are you doing wearing a thick onesie? Baby, in some parts of Jamaica, in certain like parts of Jamaica it's like really cold. And then go like this. So let's go into these box here. Three boxes down, 18,000 more to go. So cream box, these crackers are so amazing. Oh, I thought the battery died on this. I was gonna be so upset. Okay, these here, I bought them at Payless, okay? And shoot, they're kind of banged up. I don't think I'm gonna ever wear these again because I only wore them when I was doing my internship at the police. Hopefully by God's will, I don't have to ever go back in an office space. But I'm trying to see if I should keep them. Wait, do these fit me in here? Oh, there you go. I'm trying to see if I should keep these because I don't think I'll wear these type of shoes again. I don't know, they look on my foot. They look clockwise. They're not on my foot. I should just throw out all my heels and buy new ones. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I need to put in an order of more black velvet hangers. These purple hangers here, I bought them in Mandeville. They have different colors. So if you want blue, if you want turquoise, I think it was, you can buy them. They were actually the most affordable hangers that you can buy in Mandeville from what I know, because I went into Kajillion. Did I say Kajillion? Kajillion stores. And this place, they sold you more for the price. So it was like, I think you got 10 for a certain price. Very, very affordable. I think it was like less than $500 for 10. And these are just wire hangers. It's a plaza right beside Groove Court. At the bottom, there's like a very small, like really small haberdashery at the plaza right beside Groove Court. There's Scotiabank, I think it is, Groove Court, and then a plaza beside the courthouse. I should have been sorting out the clothes from right here, because all I could do is look at them, and if I want them, I put them right here. Let's see if I can do these boxes really fast. No one's trying to stay on this all day. So before, do I have to snap? Let's see, before, so actually let me show you guys. This is a big Clubhouse box. This has just all hair in it, so I'm gonna put this in the beauty room. This is all like wigs. Look how big this box is. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Disaster. Lord Jesus. You know, Kiss sent me so many things. Like, Kiss sent me a humongous package. I don't know, they were only supposed to send me eyelashes, but they sent me like so many press-ons. This is not even half of them. I think I gave away like a lot of these already. I'm gonna give these away. I'm gonna give these away. I'm not gonna use them, so I'm just gonna give these away. And then there's these. I don't think I'll use them either. Honest to God, I'm not gonna use these. Oh, these are pretty though. Just black. The last time I put on press-ons, they just popped off on me. Okay, this purse got bent up so bad. Look at it. So I'm gonna push some stuff in it to try and give it back its shape. It's from Aldo. What the hell? I have a ponytail still? 24 inches, baby. Beauty room. And then there's more. Oh, I have to give this away too. They're like magnetic lashes. Yeah, give away. Ah. Okay, that was a fail. I don't know how to do it. This is the closet. So I'm going to be doing some storage space in this closet here, because as you can see, it's boring. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put some storage solution. I'm going to have some storage solutions. So we're going to put some shelving at the bottom here. We're going to put a next rod. We're going to just utilize this real estate. That's what people love saying. This is how it looks for now. These are the last, oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me, 7 boxes left. I am screaming. I'm screaming. What is this doing in here? Okay, all done. I bought these bras from Maxis. I wonder if you guys saw my vlog. Yeah, look, they were $200 each. So I bought like 4. Okay. Done with this box here. Oh my god, you know I bought these downtown and never wore them, like downtown Kingston, Jamaica, because this girl, the vendor was just pressuring me and buying them. I'm like, clearly you want the money, whatever. This was like $500. I need to give them away to someone who does track or something. Like, I'll feel bad if I just give to anybody random. I need to give to someone who does track and field. I need to find somebody to donate these to. Okay, all done, thank God. These. Okay, once again, I have lashes in here. Listen, I don't know if you guys saw my video. I spent $20 on AliExpress and I got, this is just like not even a quarter of the lashes that I got for $20. There's so much more that I got. Finito, yay. Yeah, so that book. And this book is amazing. Oh my God, amazing, 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 amazing. Someone stole my Vibes Cartel books. If you guys can pick up this book, I'm gonna link it down below. This will change your viewpoint on garbage. Okay, these are my rain boots. I wear them in Jamaica during rain season, which is now. Okay, I wonder if this is gonna fall. Let's see if I can add this one. But this all has to go outside. Insane. I have one more, but not gonna be extra. Okay, so all this is for my office filming room because I have to do some content in those or with those. This has gone to my filming room. This is all my wigs and ponytails. These have to wash. I don't know why those dirty clothes are in my clean clothes. This is all to give away. These are my heels. This is to throw out. All these clothes right here, this is all to throw out. Well, I'm gonna cut them up and use them as cloth for in the house. I keep on saying it, but this is to give away. Oh my gosh, it's gonna fall. This is going into my filming room. This is to like cut up as well. So content room. These are the hangers. This is all the clothes that I'm keeping. It's not even a lot, thank God. My footwear, my underwears and rags and stuff, and my swimwear. It doesn't look like a lot because of the way I packed them all up, but trust me. So this is gonna stay here for now, and we're gonna take care of all this stuff right here. Okay, for this corner here, all I have to pick up is my memory card. This is garbage too. I'm gonna put this all in my filming room. Oh, this is supposed to be the kitchen. All this is to give away. So I'm gonna put them in a bag. Okay, finito. So let me show you guys. Okay, so this is all the swimwear I'm going to keep, and I feel like I need more. My bras and stuff, this is all the clothing I'm going to keep. Okay, the small socks, I don't really wear socks in Jamaica. And then over there is my footwear, and I'm done. Like up this video for a part 2 of organizing my room, organizing my closet, and I'll do that for you guys. Make sure to comment or like or share it to somebody. I am so hungry, so I'm gonna go eat some food. I'll link similar videos on the screen here, and yeah, au revoir.